In just 7 years of practice, he secured the acquittal of 17 individuals wrongly accused under draconian laws. Shahid Azmi, a human rights lawyer, dedicated his life to defending those falsely accused of terrorism. His story is one of resilience, courage, and ultimately tragedy. Born and raised in Mumbai with his family origins in Azamgarh, UP, Shahid's life took a dramatic turn at the age of 14 when he was arrested during the 1992 communal riots. The early experience of injustice stirred up Shahid's life. He ended up in Kashmir for a brief period of time, but soon realized his struggles lay back with his people. By the time he could decide a course for himself, his life was unjustly interrupted in 1994. He was arrested under TADA, Terrorist and Disruptive Activities Prevention Act, a law notorious for its abuse. Shahid, now 16, was accused of conspiring to assassinate several top leaders including Bal Thackeray. This arrest was a part of larger pattern. TADA led to the arrest of 77,000 individuals, but only one person were ever found guilty. Azmi spent 7 years in Tihar jail. While in jail, he began his college studies until the Supreme Court finally acquitted him in 2001. His youth was stolen by a flawed legal system. After his acquittal, he went to pursue a law degree. He later worked with prominent lawyer Majid Menon before establishing his own practice. His 7 years in Tihar profoundly impacted him, shaping his commitment to justice. Injustice taught him to love justice. The experience of pain and humiliation awakened his heart to mercy. The state's injustice towards him drove Shahid to fight for countless marginalized individuals. Not many people know this, but he was also a guest faculty member at the reputed TADA Institute of Social Science, Mumbai. When he started practicing law, he was the youngest lawyer to get a chamber in the Mumbai High Court. Shahid's legal career flourished in the post-2001 era, a time marked by events like bombings in Bombay, Delhi, Hyderabad, Malegaon, in 2008 Batla House encounter. Bar associations even passed resolutions refusing to represent terror suspects. Amidst widespread fear and silence, he bravely championed the rights of the marginalized, often facing ostracism. He witnessed firsthand the injustices faced by those accused of terrorism, particularly Muslims. Most of his cases were pro bono, representing individuals who were falsely implicated in events like 7/11 Bombay train blast, the Ghatkopar bomb blast, the 2006 Aurangabad Arms Hall, the 2006 Malegaon blast, and 2005 Gateway and Zaveri Bazaar blast. Shahid's most high-profile case involved 26/11 Mumbai attacks, where he set on to defend Fahim Ansari and Salahuddin. Despite his relative youth and immense pressure surrounding the case, this case became an ultimate challenge for him. His unwavering commitment to justice made him a target, and he started receiving death threats after defending the 26/11 accused. He went on to report them to police and requested for security, but it was never provided. On 11th February 2010, around 8 in the evening, Shahid gets a call at his office in Kurla that there are 4 people waiting to meet him for a case. Shahid, as per the habit, goes to the office where 4 men shoot Shahid down. 33-year-old Shahid succumbs to the injuries and dies. This crusader for justice gave his life for the innocent. Fahim Ansari, accused in 26/11 case, was finally acquitted in 2010. Shahid was a vocal critic of laws like Unlawful Activities Prevention Act (UAPA) and the Maharashtra Control of Organized Crime Act (MCOCA). He encouraged his community to establish local fact-finding committees, human rights cell, documentation and legal cell. He recognized the lack of resources and support system for the falsely incarcerated. Following Shahid Azmi's recommendation, Jamiyat-e-Ulama created a legal cell in 2003. For 7 years afterwards, he was virtually the only lawyer taking on these terror-related cases. Director Hansal Mehta came out of a self-imposed break to create a biographical film about Shahid. Produced by Anurag Kashyap, the film starred Rajkumar Rao playing the role of Shahid. Upon learning about Shahid's murder, Mehta knew that this story had to be told and tried to capture how Shahid, once wronged by the system, takes on the fight to seek the justice for those who might suffer the same fate. The film earned the actor his first national award for the portrayal of Shahid. Rana Ayyub dedicated her book Gujarat Files to advocate Shahid Azmi, acknowledging his immense contribution to justice. In times where draconian laws like UAPA and false charges of sedition are slapped against many innocents, his story serves as a powerful reminder that struggle for a just judiciary will live on. 15 years after his murder, the investigation into his death remains stagnant, and his assailants walk free even today.